And you dip it in the water, and then you're going to put an egg here. Here's your water. Here's your water. And you dip it in the paint. And then you paint it on the egg. Wow! Look at you! Can you reach? Oh, that one's not done yet. That one's not done. We have so many eggs to do. That one's not done. Can you dip it in the water and then use maybe the blue paint? Where's the sininen paint? No, blue. Sininen. No, that's pink. That's green. That's sininen. No. That's musta. That's sininen. That's green. Vihreä. Green. Use a little bit of water, honey. It's easier when you use the water.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah.
All done?
Yeah.
Now.
Go.
Now.
Papa.
Papa's coming. Papa's coming.
Aye.
Dip it in the water.
Aye.
Are you having fun? Oh, good job. Is that yellow? Keltainen.
Mandukri.
Is that vihreä?
Mika.
Lilia.
Yeah.
Lilia's at home with her family. It's Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday. Yeah. Are they rolling?
Yeah.
Wee, they're rolling.
Oh, yeah.
These are the rest of them. We're going to paint these later too. Okay, say bye-bye. I'm going to start with you, okay?
Papa.
Bye-bye.
Aye.
Hey, hey.